What's up everyone? Today I have a treat for you guys. You really seem to like the ECOSPHERE videos, especially the one with our salamander, which has been officially named Spyro by Dante in the comment sections. Thank you for that name, Dante. So Spyro is still alive. He or she is about 2 months old, but I want to replace him into a bigger enclosure. On the previous videos, about 95% of you guys, a little more even, weren't subscribed. Please consider subscribing if you enjoy my content, because it really helps me. Let's go into the video. I'm going to do it exactly the same as this one, because well, this ECOSPHERE has been closed for more than like 3 months, I think, since April 2021. I'm going to take out Spyro the salamander from this into this, so I'll have to open the ECOSPHERE, which is a pity, but I have no choice. He needs an upgrade, don't you, Spyro? I'm not going to leave it uninhabited, so I got something for this one also when I've removed Spyro, but we're going to see what it is later in the video. So keep watching. Let's start off with this awesome substrate. Carefully fill it up. That's fine. Then the next step I also did with this one is to add some activated charcoal. It's good for cleaning the tank because it got micropores which take up all kinds of bad toxins, and it's also a source of carbon for the plants and the animals. That's enough. Let's mix it up. I only got this, which was long enough to reach the bottom. Now I'm going to add a cover layer. Voila! That's nice. Let's first make a hole through the decorative stones into the soil. Good enough, I guess. But how I'm going to do this, I have no clue. Just drop it. And try to get it into place. Oh, this is going to be way more difficult than I thought. But like way more difficult. Well, there's some weight on the roots. And I hope it won't float back up. I really hope. This one is going to be, I'm going to have to weigh it down with a small stone. Oops. Okay, that's something. Let's just hope it won't float up. Let's add some water. I'm going to use this funnel and I'm going to try to not disturb the bottom too much. Okay, let's start with this amount of water. I have a little tub with plants and I'm going to add this guy. It's a Mario boss ball with the infused other water plant inside. Well, okay, let's give you guys a closer look. This is what it looks like at the moment. I think the next step is to add some creatures and our salamander, Spyro. And let's now add the offspring of Sheldon. And I'm also going to add some of these floating little plants. I think I'm going to add 2 of them. That's 1. That's 2. They're going to hopefully lay a lot of eggs, because the small snails have been the food for the entire life of Spyro. I'm going to add some of these plants. Oh yeah, by the way, if you don't know the story about the salamander, Spyro, go watch the previous videos. Link in description. Shell of Sheldon is still inside of here, but Sheldon has passed away, sadly. So here you can see the shell of Sheldon, the snail. Right there. Okay. Now it's time to add Spyro. So Spyro is right there. In the most difficult spot ever to catch it. So this is actually quite a sad moment because I have to open the ECOSPHERE after 4 months of successfully being closed. But I have no choice. You need an upgrade, little guy, so you can grow up to a fully adult, hopefully. Oh, what a moment. And the ECOSPHERE is open. Oh, there's some fungi here. I'm going to clean that off. Come on, Spyro, swim up. Just very gently. No. Do you guys see this? I'm so close. No. Yes, I have it. Okay, you can swim out now. Is he still in? Yeah, he's swimming inside of it. Okay, Spyro is in the tank. As you can see, look at him or her. Sometimes he does this, just floating like that. Let's prove that it's not dead. Look. How neat is that? Oh, it won't focus, sorry guys. Yeah, so awesome. So 2 Sheldons, 1 Spyro and a bunch of other little snails in this ginormous ecosphere. Let's introduce our new inhabitant in the old one. And our new inhabitant is a blue shrimp, you guys. Yeah, there it is. Look at that, guys. I also found this little snail in this tank, so I'm also going to add that one. And I think the ecosphere is essentially done right now. I'm going to place it there in the spot of the plant. So let's do that. Okay guys, we're almost done. I just have to close it down. But I'm going to wait 1 day to just let everything settle a little bit. All the gases can still escape, that's no problem. And then tomorrow I will give you guys a quick update. Look at Spyro. Just chilling and floating. Oh, that's a nice shot. He's trying to eat. I think he's hungry. I also added some water of that tank because it's full of life, microalgae and everything. So I wanted to increase the diversity a little bit. So I added about this amount of water from that tank. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. It's now the next day and this is what the ecosphere looks like. You can see a top view. Here is one of the Sheldons. The other one is up there. There he is, you can see its shape. There are also other little snails, like pretty much everywhere. There you can see one. Also other kinds of snails too. Spyro I haven't seen yet today. It's a pretty big tank and he can hide pretty much anywhere. And then the other ecosphere. Still alive and doing well. If you have any name suggestions for this little blue shrimp, put it in the comments and I will pick the top one in the next video. So now it's time to close it down. And like a cork that would fit perfectly, would be perfect, but I don't have that at the moment. So I'm just gonna wrap it down with some plastic foil. So this is what I've done, just with some rubber bands and plastic foil. And I think this is pretty airtight because of the edge. So it's now 18 August 2021 since this ecosphere has been closed. I'm very curious what's going to happen with Spyro, if he will grow and will have enough food. I think he will, because there's a lot of snails and these will reproduce a lot. So guys, thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace out.